Ashley and Maria and Miss Kendra from Premier Knoxville North. We are going to be teaching you a hip hop dance today. So the first step, you just want to have your feet together, and you're going to do kind of like a swiping motion with your right hand on top. You're going to step right, bring it back together, in, step left, in. You're going to jump forward, jump, then you're going to cross your arms down and go up, throw those arms up in a box position, and then back down, right arm on top. Let's try that again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1 and 2 and 3, drop it, 4, throw it up, 5, 6. Okay, after 6, we're gonna step back on our right foot, and you're gonna bring your left arm out straight, and you're gonna wind the right arm up twice, 2 circles, wind twice, and throw, and you're gonna just kind of swipe that right arm across the knee. The left arm is just behind you, and that's on 8. Then you're gonna pull 1 and 2. Then you're gonna go to the right. So that first one was 1 and 2 stepping forward. Then you're gonna go 3 and 4. So just going to your right, to the side. Let's try that again. So we just did 7 and 8. We're gonna step behind us with the right foot. 1 and across, 2. Pull it, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6. Yes? Okay, let's go back. Let's go from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1 and 2 and 3. Drop it, 4, up, 5, down, 6, step back, 7, throw it, 8, pull forward, 1 and 2, out, 3 and 4. You're gonna step backwards, go 5, left, 6, left, 7, and 8. On those step backs, let's go from the pull that we did on the side. So we stepped 3 and 4. You're gonna step on your right foot, and you're gonna kind of do like a waving motion by your sides. And you're gonna go 5, step 6, right foot, 7, throw the arms up, and drop it, 8. Okay, from here, we're gonna step with that right foot. 1, pull it, and 2. You're gonna go around slow. 3, 4, jump together. 5, swipe it to the right. 6, you're gonna flex that right foot. And 7, and jump forward with the right foot. 8, and just kind of throw those arms out. And that's it. Let's go over that again. So, from the beginning, kind of like have your chest over, bent over. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1 and 2. Jump forward. 3. Drop it. 4. Arms up.